The gas filter must be cleaned, inspected, and replaced at the specified intervals. Begin by isolating the gas at the supply and ensure the gas valve switch is off. This isolates the filter section. Follow all safety rules, make all required safety checks, and vent the filter line. Remove the cap screws and remove the filter. Check the filter and housing for physical damage or wetness and service or replace parts as necessary. When replacing the gas filter, install it in its housing and replace the filter cover O-ring. Torque the cover bolts to 15 Newton meters. Unscrew the dust cover from the safety shutoff valve mechanism and check the position of the shaft. If the slot in the shaft is vertical, the safety shutoff valve has tripped and must be reset. To reset the safety shutoff valve, equalize the pressure across the valve by depressing the plunger using the special tool. To reset the safety shutoff valve, fit the wrench supplied with the regulator over the mechanism and rotate the shaft 1/4 turn counterclockwise. The shaft should lock in position when the slot in the shaft reaches the horizontal position. Reinstall the dust cover. It is not necessary to isolate the gas supply when resetting the safety shutoff valve. However, if the gas supply has been isolated, you must open the isolation valve slowly or the safety shutoff valve will trip again.